Namaskar, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal, Kem Cha. I'm Rishabh Chatterjee and today we'll be taking a look at this asianXpress sleeper bus. So let me give you a walk around of the exteriors and then we'll go to the interiors. Please do like my Facebook page and also follow me on Instagram. So this is the front of the bus. I won't bore you much with the details. Projector headlamps, middle one is projector, fog lights. The coach is built by SMK Prakash and orange color body with nice graphics, you can see. Elephant logo at the back. Let me move on to the back of the bus. So now I'll show you the back profile of the bus. You can see here again emergency exit at the back, and now let's move on to the right profile. So very new bus. This just was launched, like the service started this week, and the company asianXpress took the delivery this Saturday. So we'll go around the bus from outside and then let's go inside. So that was the exterior of the bus. Now let's go inside the bus and show you. So here's the extra step, easy to go in. This is an automatic door, and now as we get in you can see the driver's cabin. And let's move on to the interiors. This is how the interiors are, 2:1 configuration. Here we have the reading lamps, AC blower. On the side we have the charging point and the bottle holder. 2:1 configuration, and if you want to sit, there is seat type seating too, so you don't have to always sleep. Curtains. This is the single berth, upper berth, and this is the lower one. So at the end you can see that is the emergency exit. This bus has one emergency exit at the end, so that is openable. You can see here is the berth numbering 11, 12, 11, 12, lower, upper, L and U. So every passenger gets this half-liter water bottle, and you also get this pillows and blankets. Now as we take a look at this bus from outside, let me talk a bit about this travel. So it was started in March 2016 and has its head office in Bangalore. So currently asianXpress travels on two routes, Bangalore-Chennai and Bangalore-Coimbatore. And the bus that you are seeing now travels on the Bangalore-Chennai route. This bus is built on Ashok Leyland 4x182 chassis with air suspension and retarder. The cost of the chassis is 25 lakhs. The bus body is built by Prakash and the model is called CAPELLA. The cost of the body with AC is 24 lakhs and overall cost of the bus is 51 lakhs. And if you want to travel by this bus, the ticket cost will be around 780 rupees. And the mileage that the operator is getting from this bus is approx 3.5 kilometers per liter. This is the driver's cabin. You can see Ashok Leyland. There's a berth for the driver to sleep, and steering wheel. That is the rear view camera screen. Some lighting, speakers, mirror, door. This is again automatic, so with the press of a button the door opens automatically. 6-speed manual transmission. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video, and also subscribe to the channel. And you can check out more of my videos throughout my channel, and also follow me on Instagram at @rcmediahouse. Follow me on Facebook at the Rishabh Chatterjee, or you can search YouTuber Rishabh Chatterjee. Well, for now, in this video, that's it. This is Rishabh Chatterjee signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.